Drone construction update videos are changing the way our clients present their construction projects. Aerial perspectives and beauty shots, all designed to capture the viewer's attention to details like never before. Videos are uploaded to a dedicated YouTube channel where viewers can subscribe for regular updates coming to their email inbox. That way, construction tours are just a click away. Get on board. It's time to capture and produce construction videos for your projects. 3 Dream Studios, helping you share the vision.